Hello, my name is Darlene Catalano and welcome to my EndNote tutorial. I'd like to show you a few things today. The first one is how to enter a new reference into EndNote, how to create a group into EndNote, how to start a reference into a Word document, how to add a page number to a citation, and how to change the style of a reference. First of all, I'm going to need to open up my EndNote library. In here I've got my groups. I'm going up to the top toolbar and clicking on groups, and then I'm clicking on create group. My new group is going to be called EDN 113, so then any references I create from here can all be saved into this group. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to create a new reference in EndNote. I need to go up to the top toolbar and click on reference. Then I need to click on new reference. In here, this is where I can select any one number of choices to whatever reference I need to insert. It just so happens that my resource is a journal article. The first thing I need to add is the author. This can be done manually, or it can be done directly from the site where you found your journal, or the database where you found your journal. I have this open and I need to find the authors. In my case, I have two authors. So first of all, I've got to select the first author. I need to copy. I need to return to EndNote and paste that author in. Then I need to go to the next line. Return back to my database. I'm going to select Sharp. I'm going to select copy. Return to EndNote. I'm going to paste the other author in. The year was 2003. The title was Teaching Fractions Using Accumulated Sharing Activity, which I'm going to copy. I'm also going to paste this into EndNote. The journal name was Learning and Leading with Technology. Copy this, return to EndNote. Once again, I'll paste this in. Check the volume number was 30. The issue was number 7. And the pages were 36. Page 39. I now need to take my mouse to the top right hand corner where I find a cross. In the top corner, I click on this. It asks me, do I want to save the reference I just entered? And that is yes. It returns me to my EndNote library, and now I can see that the reference has been entered. The next thing I'd like to show you is how do you change the style on your reference. You'll notice here that it's already APA6, which is the reference style that I like, or the one that I need to use. But if I change it to Chicago, you notice down here that the reference style will change. Now, however, given that I do want APA6, I'm going to place that back in the box. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to cite a reference in a Word document. I'm going to open up my Word document. You notice here that I have a direct quote from the authors, so I need to place my cursor right behind the end of the direct quote. I need to cite this. So I'm going to go up the top toolbar and click on EndNote. I'm then going to click on Insert Citation, but I'm going to click on Insert Selected Citation. And you can see here that it's brought both the author's names in and it's brought the date. Given this is a direct quote, I need also to add in a page number. And I can do this by once again going up into EndNote. I need to click on Edit and Manage Citations, where I'll add a page number, and it was page 37 where I found that direct quote. Click OK, and it adds in the page number. You also notice if you scroll down that the reference has already been added in ready for my reference page. The last thing I'd like to show you is an end of text reference. Here I have a few sentences have been paraphrased by the authors or the article, so I place my cursor at the end of the paragraph. I'm now once again going into EndNote. I'm going to click on Insert Citation. I'm then going to click on Insert, and I'm going to select Exclude Author because I only want the date. I only need the date because I've already previously mentioned the same authors here. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my EndNote tutorial.